Hello friends, today's topic is amalgamation of companies, accounting standard 14. We are going to pass journal entries in the books of vendor company. Vendor company is the selling company. Selling company will sell all the assets and liabilities to purchasing company. Let's look at the example of amalgamation. In amalgamation, two or more companies will combine together and they will form a new company. Whenever the new company is formed, that is called as amalgamation. Suppose A company is selling the business, so A will get closed and all assets and liabilities will be transferred to a new company. B company will also get closed. This is also a vendor company. They are selling all assets and liabilities to AB Limited. AB Limited is a transferee, that is purchasing company. Purchasing company will pay some consideration to A and B. It can be in the form of cash, it can be in the form of equity shares, it can be in the form of preference share. But never it is paid in the debenture. Always the purchase consideration will be in cash, equity shares or preference shares, not in debentures. Remember this. Next example is absorption. This is an example of takeover. As you know, the Dena Bank and Vijaya Bank are taken over by Bank of Baroda. So this is a case of absorption. Now take an example of Reliance. If Reliance takes over a company called ABC and the ABC company, all assets and liabilities get transferred to Reliance. So ABC Limited will get closed and only one company will remain. Here in absorption, one company will cease to exist. One company will get closed and one company will be in existing. We will see how the balance sheet of vendor company is given and how the vendor company all assets liabilities are transferred to realization account and to the owners. We will pass separate entry for equity share capital. This amount will be transferred to equity shareholder only. So separate entry for this. Preference share capital, we will also pass entry. We will transfer this amount to preference shareholder. So preference share capital account debit to preference shareholder. We will pass a group entry for all the three reserves. These reserves will be transferred to equity shareholders account because the reserves and profit belong to owners and owners are equity shareholders. We will pass all outsider liabilities to the realization account whether they are transferred or taken over or not. So all the outsider liabilities will be transferred to the realization account. So debenture is liability, it is a credit side, it is on the credit side. We will make it on the debit side because they are transferred to realization account. So debenture account debit, bank loan account debit, creditors account debit, bills payable account debit to realization account. So the group entry of this will be passed. Now we will pass an entry for all the assets, investment and current assets. This will be a group entry. We will write fixed assets in the credit side. So all various assets including current assets and investment will be credited, will be debited. Now asset is the debit side. We will credit it. Realization account debit. Whether the assets are taken over or not, assets will be credited to realization account. Realization account debit to various assets account. Okay. Now we will leave it cash. Leave this cash. Next is P&L account debit balance. This is a loss in the debit balance which will be transferred to the owners. Owners are the equity shareholders. We will transfer all the assets to realization account whether they are taken over or not. If cash is not taken over, then prepare the separate cash account. Realization account debit. All the assets will be transferred to realization account at balance sheet value. Second, transfer P&L account debit balance to equity shareholders account. Equity shareholder account debit to P&L account. Outside are liabilities whether they are transferred or taken over or not, that is irrelevant. We will pass it all the liabilities to the realization account. Debenture account debit at book value, current liability account debit. So the liability will be credited, will be debited, because the liability is a credit, it will be debited because now it is transferred to realization account. Next, transfer all the reserves to equity shareholders. What are the reserves? General reserve, P&L account debit, investment allowance reserve account debit to equity shareholder account. Number 5. Transfer all the preference shares to preference shareholder, preference share capital account debit to preference shareholder account. Number 6. Transfer equity share capital account debit to equity shareholder account. So this is equity share capital account debit to equity shareholder account. Number 7. Purchase consideration due. This is the amount which we will receive. We have not yet received, we will receive in future. So the purchasing company is the debtor. Debtor is debited. Name of the purchase company will be debited to realization account. Number 8. Receiving purchase consideration. Receiving purchase consideration means equity share in purchasing company account debit, preference share in purchasing company account debit, cash account debit. These are the three things you are receiving debit to purchasing company. The name of purchasing company wasn't debit till it was due. The name of purchasing company will be credited in after receiving equity share, preference share and cash from the new company. Number 9. Transfer preference share in purchasing company to preference share holder. Preference share holder account debit to preference share in purchasing company account. Number 10. Transfer equity shares in purchasing company to equity shareholder. Equity shareholder account debit to equity shares in purchasing company. So these are the two group entries. As you see, the preference share of new company you are receiving, the preference share of new company debit, the receiver is preference shareholder. Preference shareholder is receiving the preference share in the new company. Equity shareholder is receiving equity share in purchasing company. So these preference shareholder agree to become a preference shareholder of new company. Here equity shareholder will agree to become a equity shareholder of a new company. Last, profit on realization account. This profit is transferred to owners and our owners are equity shareholders. So we will write realization account debit to equity shareholders account. Instead of writing to P&L account, we will write to equity shareholder account. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe.